Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You ever wonder how what could I make God and He angel them well happy? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people fear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, where you wait for? Do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you know miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 10. The tax collector and the sinner them gather around here where Jesus have to say. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them start grumble, say, the man you friend up sinner and all a yam with them. So Jesus answered them with that Torah. Suppose one of you have 100 sheep and one of them lost. You know, go left the 99 in the field and go look for the one we lost till you find it. When you find it, you're so glad you put it on your shoulder and go your yard. And when you reach, you call out your friend and neighbor them and say, come celebrate with me. Me find me sheep well lost. Jesus said to them, say, me I tell you no, a same way heaven I go celebrate over one sinner we turn to God than over 99 people we do right and we have nothing to sorry for. Or suppose one woman have 10 silver coin and last one. She now go light lamp, sweep out the whole of the house and look everywhere till she find it. When she find it, she call out her friend and neighbor them and say, make we dance and prance. Me fine, me kind. Me I tell you, a same way God angel them happy when one sinner turn to God. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.